nothing's most affordable smartphone yet. The phone, 2A, is all set to become official on March 5th, and also be launched in India on the same date. As we get closer to that date, the mid-ranger just can't seem to stop itself from leaking left and right. Today, we have even more renders of it to show you. These show it in two colorways, gray, black and white. Nothing has always offered two hues for its devices, a lighter one and a darker one, so the phone, 2A, won't stray from the formula, it seems. Clearly in view are the dual camera eyes on the back, which give this phone a very unique look, the 3 Glyph LEDs, and the lack of wireless charging. There's no round coil like on the Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2. The company has also officially confirmed to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, and this will be paired with 12GB RAM and 8GB virtual RAM support. Out of the box, the smartphone will run on the Nothing OS 2.5.2, based on Android 14. The dual camera setup on the rear panel is aligned horizontally inside a centrally placed circular island. Samsung ISOCELL S5K G9 50MP primary camera and the secondary ISOCELL JN1 50MP for clicking ultra-wide images, and a 32MP selfie camera. The Nothing Phone 2A will indeed come with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Amoled screen that supports a 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the smartphone will be a $5,000 mAh battery that supports 45W wired charging. The device should weigh 190 grams. We can also confirm that the phone will feature NFC, an AI wallpaper generation feature, and carry an IP54 water and dust resistance rating. The starting price of phone 2A, the base variant, could be available for around Rs 23,999 in India. According to a past rumor, the 8 128GB version will be priced at $349, while the model with 12 256GB will go for $399. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.